give you in turn what you want. That's the logic. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. On this channel, I create beauty content, lifestyle and tips and tricks for YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your first 100 subscribers. Some of you are looking at me like 100 subscribers is not relevant, but I tell you that is like the hardest, at least for me. I don't know about any other person. I'm just saying from my own point of view, and I know there are some people out there also struggling to get their first 100 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and also drop your comment down below if there is a content that you would love for me to create for you. I started YouTube last year, but I've been on and off. The thing I noticed is when I post, I get new subscribers. First thing you want to do to grow your subscribers, you want to create content. And my first 10 followers were quite easy, like my friends had to subscribe and all, but growing from 10 to 100 has not been easy at all. As I said earlier, create content, consistent content, always put out content. I have a friend that posts 2 times in a week. She was posting 2 times in a week, and I noticed that her subscriber count really went up the roof. So I decided to just try it and see, and let me just see if this really works. And it works. Posting more content helps you get more subscribers. Now, some people are like, I'm posting content, but it's not getting me subscribers. That's probably because you are posting content that you want to post. For your first few videos, you can do like an intro video, a get to know me video, and all that. In that video, you can ask people to comment down below what type of videos they would love to see from you. Most times, they're going to tell you contents that they watch regularly on YouTube. They are going to suggest to you to make, and you make things towards that direction. Not that you won't make any content you want to make, because you started YouTube to share knowledge that you have. For a beginning YouTuber, you can make it 80% to 20% ratio of content that your viewers want to see versus content that you want to put out there. That would be great. I'm not saying you should eradicate your own self completely for people, but just try and put out more of what people want to see. That way you'll be able to be pleasing your audience, thereby bringing more subscribers to your channel. Create how-to videos, how to make your hair, how to fix your nails, how to wear your lashes. My dad and I were just talking about this, like, because I always shared my YouTube growth with him, and he's telling me that okay, that's good, but you have to also improve on searchable content. Do videos that people want to see. The goal is to get more subscribers. You want to draw people's attention by giving them what they want, then they'll give you in turn what you want. That's the logic. I know people always say like find your niche, make sure you like niche down so that people can get to know you in that niche. That's great. But at the same time, you don't want to box yourself in completely when you're just starting it. The next thing you want to do, when you've made a good video, you want to put a good title. You want to make your title as descriptive of the video as possible. And you want to put keywords in your video title. For instance, you do how to crochet hair. You now go and type, watch me do my crochet hair. You have just shot yourself in the leg. But if you put how to make your crochet hair at home, people are always searching for things like that. Like when people are searching on YouTube, YouTube is going to bring your video as a suggestion for them to watch, and that is a leg up for you. Next thing you want to focus on is your thumbnail. When I started YouTube, I didn't even know that thumbnails were a thing. I just uploaded my first video on YouTube, and I saw that the face that was there was me doing like that. I was trying to blend my foundation. Make sure you use clear thumbnails. Clear thumbnails. If you make like how to do your crochet at home video, you want to put your hair, you doing the crochet. It's quite, you put your crochet pin and you take a cute picture and you do your crochet, or you hold your crochet hair, or you hold the crochet, something that makes people know what it is that is in your beautiful video. Your thumbnail has to be very, very inviting. So when you do that, you can put text, you can, but make sure it is very beautiful and very inviting. By beautiful, I don't mean you have to look pretty. I mean like it has to be attractive color-wise. Everything has to just be on point. Next thing, you want to make sure that your video is 100% clear, the audio is clear, and everything is on point. If you want to see my video on how to make a quality video with just your phone, I'm going to link it in the cards above. Make sure you're making quality video that people can stay glued to. The thing you want to do is push your content on every social media platform. When I just started my YouTube channel, something I did not do was make use of my Instagram, make use of my Twitter, make use of my Facebook. I was only using WhatsApp to draw audience to my channel, but then I was sleeping on the growth I could have gotten, because now that I have extended my hand to other social medias, I've dipped my hand in the pot of Instagram, in the pot of Twitter, in the pot of Facebook. I've seen growth, like growth, substantial growth. I'm not telling you that I've become 1,000 YouTubers, and I'm just saying I've seen substantial growth since I've started sharing my work on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, or whatever social media. Snapchat is also a good way to get traction to your video. Don't go and post on your story and think that's the end, or post on your feed and think that's the end. You want to send people DMs with links to your videos. Yes, on Twitter you send links, on Instagram you send links, on Facebook you send links as private messages. Of course, don't start spamming people, because on Instagram if you send too many DMs at the same time, they're going to deactivate that action. And please, because I said send links, don't do so for so. They will betray you. They will subscribe to your channel, you know, they will subscribe and they will unsubscribe. You want people that genuinely care about the content you are creating. So you go to people that are following you. I advise to go to people that are following you rather than people that you are following, because people that are following you already have a key interest in what you have to put out there. And once you send it once, you don't have to send it every time you post a video. That's why you alternate. You can send it to the first 50 people today, the next video you send it to another group of 50, because you've tested the first 50. What makes you think that next time you send the link that the person is going to subscribe? Of course, it's possible that the person just needs you to remind the person, but what can we say? You know, what can we really say? Some people are just unique, but you don't have to. You just have to show people that you have quality content that's going to help them and that they are going to enjoy watching. I've told you, do not do so for some. They are going to betray you. Be honest with you. I tried it one night, and then they are going to subscribe, and you'll be like, oh, my page is growing, my page is growing. Oh, subscribers. And the next morning when you wake up, what? Where are my subscribers? They've disappeared. They've all gone, because what? They played you. Not all of them play you, I tell you, but some of them be playing people out here like, hey, and I don't know why, because subscribing to someone does not cost you anything. It does not even show on YouTube that you are subscribed to 1 million people. I don't know, but even if it shows like people, it's not like, it doesn't mean anything. So I don't know why people do that thing. They subscribe and they unsubscribe, and sometimes it's because you are not posting regularly. I'm not just saying only some people unsubscribe. Some of your real, like some people that actually took their time to subscribe to you will unsubscribe if you don't post anything for a while. Some people like just going to their subscribers and stuff like, oh, this person hasn't posted in months, unsubscribe. So always make sure that you are always posting content for the people to view. That's tip number 1 that you should put on the top of your head. And last but not the least, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And also comment down below to let me know what type of content you would like to see for my page. Thank you very much. That is the last but not the least point. Always put a call to action. I just started really. Before I just did to put the beginning and end. But people always forget, like long like that, where we'll be keeping it behind our back. Like she said subscribe in the beginning, but because I'm still watching the video and I cannot subscribe because I'm watching on a full screen, but I'll go and subscribe when I'm done. But she forgets to say subscribe, and you forget and you don't subscribe, and that's how the slippery slope of you not growing on YouTube starts. And that's the end, because you won't grow on YouTube because you fail to say subscribe, Started to sound like a preacher, but that's the truth. You have to tell people what you want them to do. And people are not having evil hearts and saying, I'm gonna watch your video and I ain't gonna subscribe. But make sure you are saying subscribe. Don't be shy. You are growing. Like, they know you are growing. So last but not the least point that I'm going to give right now is tell you to always remind people what you want them to do. Yeah, call to action. And without further ado, I would like to say, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.